So in last video I show you how you can reload a template by using get template, but now in this video we are going to talk about more details in about the get template part. So firstly we need to create a page for that, which is called page.php. Okay, so inside this page.php we need to take a php tag. Okay, then echo it is our page. Okay, as you can see, only we need to write the echo page. So as you can see, the single php is working on the single post for single posts, and p.php is working for the pages that we used. So as you can see, now we're going to the pages. As you can see, we have some page. So if we view this, as you can see, our page is working from this page.php. So this is our about page, but is working on page.php. So in this page we'll see some difference of get template part in detail. Okay, in this page we're going to show the get template part in details. So for that, okay, we need to create some file here, which is called firstly, okay, echo one.php. Okay, inside this can write okay, echo page template one. Okay, okay, some beer tag, beer, just we need to give it here. Okay, okay, so then we're going to create another file here. Okay, copy this, get the new file, .php. So and copy this, okay, page template 2. Then we are going to create a folder, not file, directory, which is called templates. Okay, inside we're going to inside the template folder we're going to create a file which is called 3.php. Okay, sorry, copy this, Control C, Control V. Okay, this is 3, page template 3. So then another file you're going to create, which is called 4.php. Page template 4. Okay, so we create two file here from alpha file, not directory, which is called 1.php and 2.php. 1.php, so here is our 2.php, this is our 2.php. So then we create a folder which is templates. Inside the templates we create 3.php and 4.php. So we're going to create another file in alpha, not the directory of template, the in alpha, which is called file.php. Okay, this is our file. So we create files from two different places. So now we are going to see which is downloading from which places from get template part. Okay, now we are going to see the difference. Okay, so let's come to the page.php. So inside this we're going to just get template part. Get template part. So we're going to load the one.php. So one.php is not important. Okay, then we're going to load this from this page.php, which is 2.php. So okay, let's come into reload this. As you can see, page template one, page template, sorry, one.php is not working. Why? Okay, page template, okay, sorry, one.php there is nothing here. This is why this is not working. So page this template one. Now reload this. As you can see, page template 1, page template 2. Okay, so now we are going to load the page template 3 from 2.php. So for how we can do it, okay, then we have to do the get template part 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. So as you can see, our 3 is not in the root directory, which is inside the template. So we need to say the path correctly with template slash 3. Okay, now reload this. As you can see, our first one is loading from page.php, second one is loading from page.php, but the third one is loading not from the page.php, which is loading from 2.php. Okay, now you're going to load the fourth file from 3.php. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, 3.php. 3.php is in templates repository, so we don't need to specify the template. So get template part. We don't need to specify the template. We can write only 4. So will it work or not? So let's see we can work or not. I don't think it will work. It is not working. But why this is not working? We are in template. We are in 3.php, which is in under the templates folder, but we didn't get it. Why? Because the WordPress will always, the get template part is always work from root directory. Wherever you are, you have to mention the file from home, from root directory. So that's why you need to write the template, sorry, template slash 4. So wherever you are, you have to specify the directory from home. So now reload this. Okay, this is not working. Templates 4, it has to work, but why this is not working? Templates, sorry, this is not template, it is templates. So this is why this is not working. So this is now working fine. So as you can see, so wherever you want to use get template part, you have to use the template from home directory, from this alpha directory. So this is the difference of get template part. I hope you will work from this process. Okay, now we are going to we have another file which is called 5.php, which is in root directory, not in the templates folder, which is in the root directory 5.php. So we are going to load this from 4.php. So let's say, so get template part. So we have to write only 5, so not anything. Wherever we are, WordPress will always get template part is think only from home directory wherever you are. So we use it. Now we load this. Okay, so this is it. This is now loading from the 4.php. So I hope you understand this. I actually try to explain that this is in detail because it is very important. You don't need to specify the wherever you are, you have to always the specific path from home. From home, if you use the path from home, it will work, otherwise it will not work. So I hope you understand this. See you in the next videos.